What if I told you there is a way to mine multiple coins at once, get paid in minutes, and even earn crypto without owning a single mining rig? Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing ViaBTC, a global cryptocurrencies mining service in order to pull the world together by providing the best mining services. We're talking about a global mining pool founded in 2016 and trusted by hundreds of thousands of miners worldwide. It offers stable and high-performance mining infrastructure with strong security. ViaBTC offers support to multiple crypto assets including BTC, LTC, Cash, Doge, BCH, and more. ViaBTC offers support to LTC merged mining, allowing users to mine 8 coins simultaneously without additional power. LTC, Doge, Bells, LKY, PEP, JKC, Dingo, and Chic. Smart mining also helps users to automatically switch to the most profitable coin. ViaBTC offers also fast payouts and even auto withdrawals. The mining rewards are settled in minutes. Set up auto withdrawals to automatically send your earnings to your wallet, including the guide on how to do it. So you can get paid every single day passively, automatically. And even if you're not a miner, you can earn with their high referral program. You share your link and earn a lifetime commission from users who join ViaBTC through you. And you have also the Ambassadors Program, where high-tier benefits for community leaders or content creators. One amazing additional feature that ViaBTC just added also is their upgrade to support Doge collateral in case you want to get loans in cryptocurrencies. They offer flexible, low interest rates for users who want to borrow without selling their crypto assets. You can read through their documents and files in order to understand how their mining services work and their loan services. Just click the link down in the description. A really exciting feature is their community. They are highly engaged and build a huge network and community on social media, which, by the way, you can find their social media down in the description and give them a follow, where they keep you updated for all their giveaways, competitions, and also updates about their services. They already have 1 million users in over 150 countries. So if you're looking to generate an additional passive income, mining 10 different pools like Bitcoin, BCH, Cash, LTC, and other cryptocurrencies with real-time hash rate monitoring, hourly earnings distributions, and transparent data, then ViaBTC is for you. Just click the link down in the description to join today. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just getting started, ViaBTC gives you everything you need to maximize your earnings and even ways to earn without mining at all. Click the link down in the description, explore the platform, and start earning with ViaBTC today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos that will definitely help you in your cryptocurrencies journey. And also give us a comment with any questions you may have and we didn't answer them. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.